vehicle's up to 140-inch stretch navigator up on this lift. And here you can see the undercarriage of the vehicle, how it was built, and the structure and design of the actual end product. Here we start with the new vehicle. We get it up on this lift system, and then we're going to have our trolley system come through. That chassis rail came out from underneath that ramp. Once the vehicle is up on the chassis rail, we connect it at all the pivot points of the actual vehicle. We can then cut the vehicle in half, stretch the chassis rails, and then we stretch the upper rockers. This post here will go into the vehicle as a support beam. Once the vehicle is structurally sound, it moves forward to the next stage. This is an all aluminum side panel. That means no rust or corrosion with the end product. In addition to that, you see here we're framing out for a window that will go into this vehicle. So at this point here, you can see that Alfonso is wiping down this roof and inspecting it for any defects and anything that may need to be sanded down or polished. And every component of it is structurally sound and prepared for the final paint process. So here you see Teo. Teo is cutting a piece of steel. Depending upon the size of the television, we'll then cut a hole in this box that will mount our television inside. All our wood starts off as a solid pane. So here you see a nice piece of walnut. This is raw walnut, and this is the wood that we'll use in the application of building our vehicle. All raw wood. And what happens is after we're done with it, we end up with this fine finish. Stainless steel ice chest, covered lid, champagne and glass service inside of the bar console. This is the side panel that we custom create for our Escalade ESV. The finished molded panel with all the componentry of what you saw being worked on previously as the finished product. This is a fiberglass molded interior roof where we put in our own setup for vanity mirrors, reading lights, and AC ducts. In addition to that, now you see how the material is coming up over. The finer materials that we work with. This is an upgraded option, but this leather is humanely formed in Sweden and can really feel it and get an idea for the richness and the quality of the fabric itself. We have our templates for the design of the seat itself, and then we'll cut the leather for the shaping of the seat to match the patterns as per the customer's request. He's currently working on the control panels and the actual board for the electrical system, showing the different color-coded harnesses that we have for each one of the components with the wires coming out of them. You see the actual length of all the different wires and the connector that goes to it. Again, everything color-coded for the entire length of the vehicle. And it'll illuminate with the LED from behind. Beautiful. So here you can see the vehicle has been completely stripped out. We've removed everything from inside. The roof bolts are in place, insulation is in place, and we've started the process of actually building the car from the interior out. As we make our way forward, you'll see here that electrical harnesses have gone into the vehicle. So at this stage, you can see that the braces are put in. You can see that there's a brace put on this side. You can also see that the electrical harness here has been put into place. Again, all color coordinated. The carpet's been put in, so we have a new carpet for the vehicle. And again, electrical harnesses here and on the opposite side. So now at this stage, you see that we're putting in our strobe lights for the vehicle, which is one of our more popular options. You can see how it's harnessed through up here. In addition to that, you can see the electrical system that we saw previously is now installed in the vehicle. Easy twist and fully serviceable system box. The headliner is also going through its installation process, and you can now see the divider that we looked at previously is also going into this vehicle, which will go up and down with the TV inside of it. So here you see Pedro doing the quality control for the vehicle. So he's doing a complete checklist to verify that the vehicle is correct, matching the specifications of the car, model, and everything that's inside of the vehicle. Please feel free to climb in, take a look, and see what the finished product is. Let me show you to the door. So here we have the different designs, different features, and what you would like to see in the vehicle, and of course the different wood tones. So what you want to do is try to match the wood to the carpet that you think is the interior color you like best. This is my brother Adam.
How you doing? Good.